Okay, so today I'm working on my Napoleon wood stove. The fan decided to stop running. So I've pulled it out. Before looking in the manual, of course, and I see this cover here. I figured there's probably access to the fan. And I thought the thermostat would be right on the back here, but it's not. What you have to do is remove a bunch of bricks from the inside, and there's an access door at the back. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 8 to 10 screws holding this plate on. That's got a bit of a fire resistant gasket around it, and you see right there, that's the thermostat for the fan that they want $38 for. There's the two wires that were on it. I just jumpered them just to test the fan, and since I got the rheostat off of the front, I just put a jumper across. This plug here plugs into the rheostat, and once I short across that, here the fan turns on. That's 110 volts, so watch out when you're doing that. And like I say, you might want to unplug it. I unplugged it when I put the jumper across the thermostat terminal. And I think all I'm going to do with that is just make a permanent jumper for that and leave it in there. Because most of the time, my fan's running all the time anyways. And maybe in the morning it might start turning on and off. So, and by then I'm starting to stoke it up again. So I can either stoke up the fireplace, or I can turn it off at the on-off switch at the front and just turn it off when I'm going out for the day and not having a fire, rather than changing the one that's in there. So that's pretty much it. I broke off 2 of the screws in here at the top. So now I'm going to have to punch those out and get a couple of screws. I guess it just gets really hot at the top there. Hopefully they'll punch out fairly easy and I can get another set in there. Might have to put an oversized one in. So that's it. A little bit dusty in there. I'll run the vacuum in there and that's it. I'll put it all back together and push it back in. Fortunately I didn't have to pull it out of the hole that mine sits in, but there was all kinds of dust back there anyway, so it's a good time to pull it out and run the vacuum cleaner around in there. It's been in there for 3 or 4 years. That's it. You guys have a good day.